Hey, this is Alex, and here is how to install Jahro in 2 minutes. Open your Unity project and go to Package Manager. Go to Jahro.io, click Install and copy the link. Get back to Package Manager, click plus button and install from Git. Paste the link into this field and click Install. Once installed, please enter your API key. To get the API key, get back to Web Console with API keys. Paste your API key right here and press Submit. That's all. Jahro installed and you could close the window. Hit play and press Jahro button. On mobile, just triple tap the screen. And you will see the logs streaming in real time. That's it. Open Unity, install Jahro and start seeing your logs.